Okay, I just start fourth day driving, and I just got out of Farmington town over there, and then I'm heading south to this road, and then this road continue. Over there. I just get out of terrible storm. Like not only rain, a lot of rain, and then ice is falling. Big ice is falling. Oh my god. Wow. Crazy New Mexico weather. My bike is over there, and then I'm going to shoot some interesting stuff. I found interesting stuff over there. So. kind of very steep sand dune, something like this, and then people, it seems that people are using this hill, sand hill, as the like a place for like a RV, four-wheel RV, recreational vehicle, and then kind of dirty bike. So you can see many people. Over there you can see the city, that is Albuquerque, and then I'm the way toward our east side, and then I'm going to maybe some state park, and then I have camping tonight. Okay.